everyone, welcome to my channel Schoolopedia by Chayanshi, and I have here some traffic signs, and after the traffic signs I will show you a poster and keep watching a video till the end. So let's start. We have taken some traffic signs and I have taken this printouts and I have pasted ice cream stick into this paper, and I have so many traffic signs. So I will tell her the traffic signs name. So let's start. This is stop sign, मतलब आप stop हो जाओ. And this is you can walk here, मतलब आप यहाँ पे चल सकते हो. And this is narrow road, यहाँ पे मतलब पतली रोड है यहाँ पे. This is helicopter pad, यहाँ पे helipad है, मतलब इसका मतलब है यहाँ पे danger है. See, आप देख सकते हैं इसको. This is zebra crossing, आप यहाँ पे zebra crossing कर सकते हैं. This is right turn, and when this arrow goes left, this means that this is right, left turn. This is both phase, मतलब आप जा भी सकते हो और आ भी सकते हो. This is my last sign, it means give way.